right? You got carbon fiber. There is lot of points to fasten this. All the best premium materials are used in the construction. So this guys is goat skin leather called full gauntlet gloves. So this is again waterproof and it comes with, so it keeps you warm during the harsh winters, whatever season. This when you are doing your monsoon off-roading, monsoon trails. Hi guys, welcome to my vlogs. Today I'm here at ReiseMoto Koramangala. So ReiseMoto is the brand right now which is promoting riding, racing, and they're sponsoring a lot of events, be it touring, off-roading, racing, track racing. They've got you covered from helmets to jackets to gloves to protection, tires, and some accessories. So it's going to be an interesting vlog. With no further ado, let's get to the video part. So guys, gloves are an essential riding gear because after your head, when you fall, you're first going to give your hand to the ground. So it's better to keep your hands also protected, because once your hand starts bleeding or gets bruised, the rest of the ride is going to be miserable. Trust me, because I have gotten my hands bruised many times in the city. So there are many types of gloves used for various purposes. Some gloves are made for urban use, some gloves are made for touring, some gloves can handle all type of weather conditions, be it the cold mountains. Some gloves are made for ventilated gloves are made for comfort and grip. There is off-road gloves, and there are some gloves which are used in circuit racing. So let me quickly take you through all the kinds of gloves that ReiseMoto has in store for us. So our first type of gloves we are going to show you is street urban use gloves. So we have the brand Acerbis here. So Acerbis guys is a Italian brand. They're more focused towards off-roading, racing, mostly dirt. But they have all types of gloves. That mostly Acerbis is known for their dirt, racing, enduro. So here we have the CX Street from Acerbis. So the amazing thing about these gloves is it has you can touch your touch screen. So there is silicone inserts on the fingertips, ventilated. You have your knuckle protectors, very ventilated. You have your palm slider with an Acerbis logo there. So pretty cool. It's got that well fitting design, and it comes in sizes S to XXL. So this is one kind of street gloves from Acerbis. The next is we have this Ramsey vented, which is very light compared to this. Right? It is very vented. You have your knuckle protectors. You have your sliders. That is more protective, but not that ventilated. This for the city use is great. Knuckle protectors plus touch works on this glove. There is palm sliders, and it is slightly curved, the design, so that it will give you a better fit. So next guys, we have Tucano Urbano, a brand from Italy again. So this is mostly they focus towards city urban use case. So this guys, we have the gloves, brand name is Slalom. So Tucano Urbano, prioritize look, comfort, feel and protection. So this guys is goat skin leather, and there is materials that make it comfortable to wear inside, right? So very ventilated. Your touchscreen and all works. So it is not that great on protection, but it offers your hand protection from the weather, from dust, and it gives you superior grip while riding your bike. And also again from Tucano Urbano, this is an even more ventilated. This is called Eden Mesh, guys. This glove. So again, we got goatskin leather, looks great. Plus this leather gloves has some holes for your superior ventilation. There are multiple color options in this, and these sizes comes from S to XXL. And this is also something great for your urban use when the weather is hot, or you're in certain places where it's usually hot, like our Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan. So you want your hands to be ventilated. So these two things really make a really good option. So guys, this brand is called Spidi. Again, this brand is again from Italy. So this Spidi brand is more focused towards circuit racing and all that, but they make a lot of other gloves too. So this is one for street and urban use. So this has knuckle protectors, which is CE certified again, and it is very ventilated with the mesh. Your touch screen works on the index finger, right? So you have padding. It is lightweight, comfortable, easy to wear and light. So when you're doing long distance or you're riding a lot of hours in the city. So also I forgot to tell you guys, there is this street urban gloves from Ixon. So Ixon brand is from France. It's a French brand, and they have spent a lot of years with racing and motorbike enthusiasts. So this glove again got good knuckle protectors. It is design is kind of flashy for the youngsters. So it has got amazing knuckle protection and also palm sliders, right? It will save you, and it has got some ventilation. So that's it for the street gloves, guys. So let's go to the next segment, which is my favorite, off-road and enduro. So off-road enduro gloves don't offer that protection that our touring gloves offers, because we are not at that speeds. We are out there in the off-road conditions, in the forest, in the jungle. So we need excellent grip on our handlebar, plus ventilation, plus flexibility and grip. So that's why these category of gloves exist. So this is enduro gloves from Acerbis with reinforced rubber padding. And also this is a very grippy surface which allows you to grip your handlebar, your throttle. So it gets really dirty when you're off-roading, and these gloves are very durable, and it is CE certified, and it offers you that almost skin type feel when you're riding, so that you are more focused on riding. So we got another gloves from Reise in collaboration with Spidi. So this gloves has inbuilt knuckle protectors, and it's got good grippy surface, and the touch works on the index finger, something recommended for beginners. So then we have the Acerbis MX gloves, which is for our enduro, track, MX, off-road trails. So it's got a very grippy surface, it's got some palm protection, it's got these reinforced rubber inserts for your knuckles, plus you got touch which works on a few fingers. So guys, this off-road gloves is also waterproof. It is a waterproof edition of the MX gloves from Acerbis. This, when you are doing your monsoon off-roading, monsoon trails, comes very handy because you don't want your hands to get wet and it becomes all soggy and it's very hard to grip, throttle and control your bike. So excellent option from Acerbis. So in that same option, we have this, which is not waterproof. Basically, you can use it all around the year except when it's wet. So all these off-roading gloves are usually very light to ensure rider has maximum agility, flexibility and control over his bike. So that is the purpose of these off-roading gloves. So next we have an important section of gloves, category of gloves. This is what our super bike riders use, whether they are on the roads, at high speeds or in the circuit. So since they are doing high speeds and it is tarmac, so you need maximum protection for your palms because a second of rubbing on the tarmac at those speeds can literally eat away your entire palm, right? So this is called full gauntlet gloves. So this provides maximum safety because people are riding at high speeds on tarmac. So when you fall, you need all the protection. So between the racing suit and the palm, this gloves ensures there is no gap so that you have no loophole for getting hurt. So this is one option from Reise, which has superior knuckle protection for your finger, right? There is palm sliders again. And these gloves use multiple Velcro straps to secure so that it doesn't come off unless you want to take it off, right? So we have one option from Ixon. So this is GP4. So on these gloves you get superior protection, right? You got carbon fiber knuckles, all the padding, all the grip you require. Plus this uses 3-point, to fasten. There is lot of points to fasten this little lighter model from Spidi. This is called STS3. So this also provides good protection, not as great as that, but good for beginners who are just gotten into circuit racing, right? So again, full gauntlet gloves. And so guys, all these gloves that have been showcased use many kinds of materials, be it spandex, nylon, some use actual goat skin leather. So depending on the purpose and usage, there are a variety of materials, superior quality materials which are used in the making of these gloves. So our final segment is here, guys. So it is adventure touring all-weather gloves. Maybe you are going to Ladakh, maybe you are on a multiple thousands of kilometer ride, right? You need the best gloves. So this is one option from Tucano Urbano, which keeps your hands warm. This is waterproof, guys. It doesn't come with that much protection. For that, you have this same model with some knuckle protectors here. So this is the option from Tucano Urbano, all weather when you are riding in the mountains in the snow. So also we have one option from Reise. This is for highway touring, not all weather, but yeah, very ventilated, very comfortable. And this is used for touring when you are doing long distances. Again, we have one more option from Acerbis, right? Which is well insulated gloves, which is waterproof. It is called X-Tour, guys. Amazing. It is kind of a full gauntlet gloves. So it keeps you warm during the harsh winters, whatever season. Amazing inside, right? It's very soft. Polyester, polyurethane. All the best premium materials are used in the construction of these gloves. Also, finally, we have one touring glove from Ixon, which is again used for all weather conditions. This is again waterproof and it comes with some leather material and grippy surfaces, and also some padding for your palm. Again, this is used for all weather, be it monsoon, be it snow, be it up in the mountains. You will always be well insulated, protected. So that's it for touring gloves, guys. So as you can understand, one glove doesn't serve all the purpose. So guys, that was today's video. Even I couldn't explain all the details of all the gloves. I hope you got a good idea and good information. So you can always visit the store. So as you know, there are many types of gloves and for many various needs, be it the mountains, be it the track, be it the circuit, be it the monsoon. So at ReiseMoto, you're covered, and it was very fascinating to go through so many different kinds of gloves, right? So many colors, so many shapes, so many options. So also, guys, acerbis has something for the kids also, which I found very cool for the baby riders. So you can always visit the store, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I made this video because there were a lot of requests for gloves. So I thank ReiseMoto Bangalore for allowing me to vlog. So I recommend you to please visit the store. So that was it for today's video, guys. Till then, later, see you. Ciao.